I seem to recall Congress taking money from the funds of Social Security back in the 70s and again after that. Can you verify this?
So first, we went to the Social Security Administration, and they called the claim a myth and misinformation. Well, we cross-checked 3 Social Security experts who backed that up.
By law, the funds that are contributed to Social Security can only be used for benefits and to administer the program.
So the Social Security Administration explained that sometimes it collects more money than what's paid out. That excess money is held in something called the Social Security Trust Fund, and then it's invested into bonds that make interest, a lot of it. In fiscal year 2018, those investments racked up $3 billion, adding to a total of $2.9 trillion in the fund. So where's the confusion? All right, the trust fund used to be included in the government's unified budget, but that changed in 1990 when it was recorded as a separate account. Well, that accounting change made some people think that money just straight up disappeared. So we can't verify, nope, Congress never took any money from the Social Security Trust Fund or Social Security itself. Experts also cleared up that Social Security is not going bankrupt. Right now, Social Security will be able to pay 80% of benefits in 2035, so it's less, but definitely not bankrupt. Listen, if you've got something you want verified, you can reach out to me directly with your questions. I'm on Facebook and Twitter at Adam Longo TV. You could also email the team, verify@WUSA9.com.
Later this summer, visitors to National Harbor will be bopping around in driverless shuttles called Ollie. They're already roaming the streets there, but for now, you need an invitation to snag a ride. Now, Ollie is no speed demon. You'll only go about 12 miles an hour, but you cannot beat the price. We're told the rides will be free. All right, let's go back to meteorologist Melissa Nord. Hey,
and we got another round of storms on the way for tomorrow. So yellow weather alert threats. I think a lot more people tomorrow, just like today, are going to see some locally heavy rainfall. But in addition to the heavy rain factor, a couple storms just like today could be strong or severe. So hail, damaging winds, primary severe weather players can't completely rule out an isolated tornado, but I think a lot more of us end up seeing a heavy rainfall threat than severe weather tomorrow. Let's start on Futurecast. Now, after a round of heavy rain today and lighter winds tonight than what we saw the past couple of days, I think we're going to start off tomorrow with some patchy fog. If you got heavy rain tonight, you're commuting to work tomorrow, might be a little bit foggy in some spots, but we're in the 70s. It's very humid outside tomorrow morning. Lunchtime still mostly dry. Chance of an isolated shower for the morning through noon, but overall pretty quiet part of the day. But the action starts going by 3 in the afternoon. So here's 3 o'clock. We start to see, just like today, some scattered storms developing. We see more numerous storms by that evening commute, and the storms become a little bit more intense. So you can see here at Futurecast at 5 o'clock, we've got bright red and orange showing up on the map. That means some locally heavy rain, gusty winds possible. We'll keep the storms going through about 9, 10 o'clock, and then they should start to weaken as we head past that, just like our storms from today. So day planner tomorrow, again, some patchy fog in the morning, temps in the 70s, topping out mid and upper 80s. By the way, we made it to 91 today. Yeah, it's pretty hot out there. Couple storms possible tomorrow again for the Nats game. I know they had to postpone tonight's game. Hopefully, cross your fingers, they get in tomorrow's game. Let's talk about the pattern. I pulled up here a model showing you now through Friday how much additional rain are we talking about. This is showing 1, 2, even locally higher amounts of rain. Why are we seeing all this rain this week? And it all has to do with our weather setup. So I'm pulling up here a map of what's happening. Here's our setup. You can see DC on the map, and that little line above DC, that's a stationary front, a front that's stalled out. Well, meanwhile, we've got this deep tropical moisture working its way in. So if you add those two together in weather language, it means we have an unsettled pattern. More showers, more thunderstorms each and every day is going to be possible. Is it raining at your house all day? No. Do you necessarily get rain at your house every single day this week? No. But there's a good chance that you'll end up with some showers and storms over the course of the week. Tomorrow, similar to today, not everybody gets a storm, but any storm that pops up could be locally heavy or strong. A little bit of patchy fog early tomorrow morning, partly sunny and muggy. In the afternoon, scattered showers and storms develop, temps in the mid and upper 80s. Some of those storms could be locally heavy or even severe. We'll repeat the yellow weather alert pattern Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday with afternoon storms and evening storms each day, and then 7-day forecast. Summer is here on Friday, 11:54 a.m. We'll bring in some lower humidity. Pretty nice start to next weekend, and guys, back to the 90s, early 90s.